Ki samla thot kam chipai bula chajit bun yale yak exam common entrance examination bun chok rong ha ka kam chipai kata sngai kila panlong da ka jong chaj rally bot perta bu ki dawa ya ka hok bot pen pau ya ka jong pyrchah ya ka Skhim Agnipath habu ya kren bot kate ketningot ki samla ki bula e la keleng ka jela kila itu bu ki bor bu ha khli du jong katana chipai kila pentip bu kinco bunrung hapo kane ka Skhim Agnipath kini kisamla kila itu bu kila pendap ya ka physical but medical exam bot mende kidang ap ya ka CEE la daw jong ka jong penpena ka sorkar ya ka Skhim Agnipath la pensengeno ya ka exam CEE kabu kini kisamla kide bun ya le tu chin ngap ya kani ka jong ya kren bot kini kisamla kibu tap kam chipai bot kibu en hapadeng ka jong ya
The rally was held in Happy Valley GTC. So our first exam date was 30 May. So from that day they have been postponed many times, like from May to July, July to August, September, October, November. The last was in November 28. So they said that your exam has been postponed due to coronavirus. So from the November, it was the last date in the November. But we have seen that SSC exam has held many places in India, all over India. But for them, there is no coronavirus. Assam Rifle having their own rallies, they are having their all the written exam, physical, medical, everything. Now they have been in training center. Those who candidate have been selected, they are in academy, training academy. But our exam has been cancelled suddenly when this Agnipath scheme has come. Then our CE exam also has been cancelled because they said that all vacancy, all the rally will be taken under the Agnipath scheme. But we have given our rally not through this Agnipath scheme. We have given like before, normal. So we won our exam. We don't want that our exam should be cancelled because we have done hard work. Like we wake up at the morning 4 a.m. and we went for running and all. The competition is not only few, only 10, 20. The competition we run at once is 200, 500. From 500, we used to select only 10 of them. So these are those guys who have been selected from the 500s. So why our hard work will be gone like this? No, we want our justice. We want our government, like CM governor should listen us that we want our rights. We want our CE exam. Please help us to get our rights. India is a democratic country and every citizen have their own right to get their own. We have the right to speech. We have everything. We have the right. So we don't sit here for any entertainment, any else. We sit here for our rights. So we want our right from the government. And for the TOD also, there is one question I want to ask from the government about Agnipath scheme. Furthermore, I'm not against. Okay, but I want to ask one question against the TOD. Do you think army is safe? Do you think army is safe? Army is not safe. If once you enter in the army, means you have sacrificed your life. You don't know about tomorrow, from where you will get the one headshot. So those candidates who have been selected in Agnipath scheme in future, after 4 years they will be retired. Who knows? Many of them will be like disabled, like fracture arms, disabled, fracture or broken bone. Do you think they will those guys will be accepted in Assam Rifle BSF? I don't.
Kawai kalau kami laslam mo ni nado arajar koi nado lasier ni lawan pendek nado ke physical nado ke medical nado padmenta las ni sa ka si exam tadin kunto ya si exam postpone andawai benair ni postpone tadin kunto ni how December arpo santrek kawan ke sti napo DC bakal apoi ka kawai ka city ka papan le verification no yaki document ni ban register no apa Indian Army te ni na po West Kazil ni na po Meghalaya na po West Kazil ni don ruku lain rupalangot de baro in rupalangot nila pendap haka ar punyo terik ar punyo terik ya balik verification ya dokumen de baro nila apmi dan tian apmi dan tian saya ka jonin ta bang nila de blo de blek rut ya ki dokumen ban pak Indian Army genre kataru ni up mentala siteng senam nadu benai Desember Januari ni up ken nadu Januari andre siteng senam ro nim yo JTBA Jepang kata andre ni dawa ni wat ni mentang ni dawa entah kan ni si exam kabanin kong ban baar bat batu city ke bala pa ni aman lagi distrik napo Indian Army kata kemudian napo Central Bank kabawan hakiki duk aru em hapo ngana mo kelah po ni kala try sijar duna try di bala enroll sa ni sa dia dan di balawan kata kalentar mo sini ndeng ngirang apik saya ka kolingitar kemud bakata ka kabawan sini kemud katok baru kinru po ar professionally selected yang ni ban enroll sa Indian Army dia kum chipai mo as a soldier dei ngirang abeta ki ong ini ban le no verification no ki kot isa adin kutangi la pendap kita ni sa apik selesai ka joining letar kebut kita orang ini ban rawa yang tak kata maka sorkan tak kata